Welcome back to the Electrician's Tool Channel. Um, Before we get started, I want to tell y'all the weirdest thing happened here with this package and this instrument here. They had on eBay, they had this not this instrument, but an instrument by this company, Rish. Uh, I guess it's short for RISHABH. But anyway, they had this listed as a multimeter, brand new, on eBay for $40, $40. Uh, and I said, well, I've seen this multimeter before. This name. I'm kind of familiar with it. It's this made by a company that's out of India. So anyway, they had this listed as a multimeter for $40 US, and they said it was new. So I said, well, I'm gonna try it out. I'm gonna purchase it and just see, what kind of multimeter it is. It's not like I need another multimeter or anything like that. So, but I just say I'm gonna just get it and see, and because I was curious about this company and the instruments that they put out. Okay, and so I was expecting the multimeter to come in the mail. In fact, it was the RISHABH, Rish, short for RISHABH, multimeter 12S. I think that was the name of it. I mean, the model number 12S. So, but this came instead. This is an insulation tester, and the voltage ranges are from 50 volts to 1,000 volts. And this came instead. And from the way it looked, like it's brand new. I've been in here already. I just repackaged it because I want to do this video and let you guys see how it looked. So, I'm gonna let you guys take a look at what I've seen in this box and tell you pros and cons of it, about this little this tester, and how I feel about it, my true feelings about it, like I do all my videos. So again, this is a company that's out of India. Some of you may be familiar with it. It's I may not be pronouncing it correctly, but it's RISHABH. I'm breaking it into syllables, so RISH, AB, something like that. But anyway, so let's just get into it. It's the insulation tester. They don't have a model number on here, but well, yeah, let me see. I think they did. The model number is right here. Insulation 20. That's it, insulation 20. Okay. And it said new. It's new. All right, so here we are, getting into it. Remember, I've been in here already. I put batteries in it and everything, so take it out of the pack. This is what came with it. The test leads, the manual, and this box. So now, it feels, with the rubber protector on here, it feels real solid. Without the rubber on here, it feels kind of lightweight. It feels kind of lightweight. But with the rubber on here, it feels really solid. I was surprised at the quality feel that it has. Okay, and I don't see where it's been tested at or who tested it besides this CE on the front. And you see that on the front of just about everything. It's, they have an ink pen with a CE on the front. I don't know what that stands for. I heard one time on the YouTube, one guy say China exchange. I don't know. But anyway, this is an insulation tester, and voltage range from 1,000, from 50 to 100, 250, 500, and 1,000. 1 kV, 1,000 volts. You also have continuity. You have resistance. You have AC/DC voltage, and you also have this little clock right here, and I'll get into that later. And you have off and on switch with a backlight. They also have, you can store data in here also. They have a lot of features on this thing that I'm not familiar with. I was reading in here this is a pretty decent manual that came with it. It's written in English, and it's a pretty decent manual, but it has a lot of functions in here that the only function if I ever use this thing, the only function I can see myself using it basically is just probably the voltage and the test voltages. I'm not going to tell you that I will be using this thing a whole lot, and I have to be honest with you. I don't know much about this company, but it looks well built. But I don't see where, any kind of accredited test lab that stamped, they put a stamp on here saying that it's safe. But it's okay. So it's okay. How do I feel about it? I'm kind of jittery about it. I don't know. Maybe in India, this may be what fluke is to Americans. I don't know. But anyway, you got a lot of little functions in here, a lot of features in here. Let me just try to read some of them out to you. All right, you say you get a liquid, let me see. Okay. All right, let me get to something that you, okay, get a find where I can start it on this thing. I mean, it's not a real bad manual. It's just that it's just me. This stuff just look crammed up in here. Well, anyway, you get a liquid LCD display, analog display. You get backlight. You get measurements, you know about that. Just say from 50 volts to 1,000 volts. You get, you can store data in here also. You can, you also have a, let me see what they'll call it. A timer. I don't know why would you want a timer here, because I don't think it have a DAR or PI function measurement on here. But you also have a zero adjustment measurement on here, a low ohm resistant measurement. You have continuity, I mentioned that already. And voltage at AC DC. A stopwatch, you have a stopwatch on here. Why, I don't know. But let me see. Let me just turn this on while I'm reading through this, guys. And you have a bar graph on here. I don't know if you guys can see it. It goes from 1 mega ohm, 10, and 100 kilo ohms. On this side, it goes up to 10 giga ohms. So a lot of meters, once it reaches its set in giga ohms, maybe 2.2 giga ohms, you may see a little arrow letting you know that it went above that. But this one have a bar graph letting you know that it went past that, from 1 giga ohm to 10 giga ohms. I think that's pretty neat. As far as the backlight, let me turn this off and let you guys take a look at that backlight. They say in order for me to turn the backlight on, I have to press these two at the same time. I can have it on any function I want. Let me see, turn it on. There you go. It's a green backlight. It's not really bad. Let me get this plastic off of here, off the screen. Okay, there we go. And it's not, it's nice and clear. The digits are nice and clear, and I can see everything. And yeah, I can see everything. It's pretty good. Now, what I'm going to do also for you guys, those who may be curious, I'm going to take this off. It takes 6 AA batteries. Now, there's rubber boot on it. This is a real nice, real thick rubber boot on here, right? This is really thick. It feels heavy because I got the batteries. The batteries sit up here at the top. It feels kind of have a little weight to it, But once I take them out, it's not as heavy. Okay, so let me just turn these lights back on so you guys can see. I don't like this part when you got to take the whole cover off just to put batteries in. That's one thing I don't like. So, that you guys who want to see the inside of it, that you guys get a good look at it. Okay. My YouTube buddy, Three Phase, he has a channel. Y'all go check him out. But I know he would love to see this here. He'd love to see the inside of this. Stuff like this, so. So, I don't do this much as far as opening my test instruments up, but since I have to put I wanted to show you guys, I have to put the batteries in it. I thought let you guys see, but that's a 500 milliamp fuse right there. Okay. It says brand new. This thing is brand new. I don't know. Maybe it is, maybe it's not. But I don't know much about this company. Maybe some of you guys do. You can kind of let me know about it if this is a pretty decent company or not, or their test instruments, or just let me know something about this company. Did I get a good deal for 40 bucks or what? And so. Okay, and this is what it says on the back. Okay. Now, they also gave me a little, I see they have a place for a strap right here. A normal size strap, I don't think will fit in here. I don't know, I just happen to have one right here. So let me see. May not have, do it fit? No, it doesn't fit. But Klein makes a strap that's kind of small enough to fit in here, a magnetic strap. But I know I won't need one for this because I won't be taking this around with me. This is stay on the bench. But okay. So also, this is the probe. These are the probes that come with it. The stand is okay too, y'all. It doesn't, I can put it on the stand, put it on there like that, and turn it, no problem, no problem. Now, these probes that come with it, and I don't know how much these things cost brand new. So if one of you guys know about this, just leave it in a comment. Let me know, did I strike a good, did I run across a good deal? And they just happened to fall in my lap. And let me know the price in US dollars, how much this would cost. Brand new. Now, the test probes and leads, they really feel plastic. They are cheap. They're very cheap. I would be, I would be scared to death to use these things. No, I wouldn't use these. I wouldn't use them at all. Put that on the side. So, but let me just show you all the time the timer that they was telling me about. They say put it on ohms. They say hit the store button. Wait, oh no, hit this test button. They say put it on ohms or continuity. Oh no, that's it right there. So hit the test button, and that's the timer that comes on. Now, in order to make the timer work, got to press the up button like that. I mean, the up arrow, and it starts to working. You want to reset it, hit it to zero it out again. You do that. But I don't have to read more about this, guys. I have to read more about, you know, why we need that stopwatch. Why we need that. Also, let me see what else. They say you can store stuff. So let me stop this test. Get out of there. No, you can escape like this. Just turn that off. They don't have a lot of features on here, but so let me just do a voltage test and a voltage test and see if it's putting out what's displayed on here. Let me get my measure. I think this goes up to 1,000 volts. No, it doesn't. Let me get a meter. Let me get this fluke insulation tester and see if it's putting out what's displayed on here. All right. Okay, guys. Here we go. Let me turn this on, maybe. All right. Let's try 50 volts, y'all. Let's see what happens. Put the test button, and we'll see. Okay. Say it's putting out 60 volts. And you're getting 9.4 impedance. Okay, out of this meter, that's about right, I guess. Let's go to 100 volts. Um, 120 volts. Okay, getting the same 9.4 impedance. Let's go to 250. Okay, 292. All right, 9.7 impedance. Let's go to 500. $573. I think this voltage is rated for 600, I believe. Let me just try 1,000. It won't display it, but I'll probably just say or L. But let me try 1,000 volts in here. Yeah. Okay. The only thing bad about this, it's not showing you, well now it is, that it put out, what I guess it put out that I have it set on 1,000 volts. Yeah, that's all it is. It didn't show me what I was putting out like a dual display as far as the screen, but that's okay. It's not really a bad meter. You know, I'll have to know more about this company. And so anybody having history on this company, leave it in the comments. Let me know about this meter and this company also. So guys, I think I'm okay. I think I've done okay with this. You know, I'm not full circle for us feeling happy about it yet. I mean, for us safety wise, I'm not full circle. But if you guys know anything about this company, again, I ask you leave it in a comment, and let me you know, update me on it, school me on this thing. But I'm okay. Other than that, I'm okay. All right. So guys, I want to thank you all for watching. Oh, I'm sorry. And it's 600 volt Cat 2, 300 volt Cat 3 rated. That's down at the bottom. A 500 milliamp fuse. So again, guys, I want to thank you for letting me take up your time. So you guys leave a comment, hit that subscribe button, and as always, if you benefited from this video, and you know somebody else who would, share it, man. You know, I appreciate it. Let them get iron sharpen iron, and let them know about it, and you know, you keep this thing going. Thank you, guys. Take care.